Good morning, junior infants. It's so lovely to be able to talk to you this morning. I'm so sorry we're not together in our class today, but it's important that we all stay at home at the moment to keep everybody safe. I'm so happy that I can make these videos to teach you. I wish we were together, but unfortunately we'll have to do it like this for a while. And don't worry, I'll be putting plenty of activities up on your Seesaw app for you, and there'll be activities that you can do. What I'd ask you to do is try and do them by yourself. I will make sure that I explain in a video what you have to do, and then I'd like you to try it by yourself, because your mums and your dads and your brothers and your sisters and everybody who's at home are very, very busy. Now, if you get stuck, it's okay to ask for a little bit of help, but I would like you to try your very best to complete your work and watch your videos by yourself. Now, the first thing we're going to do is what we do every start of the week. We'll name the day. So can anyone think of what day it might be today? I'll give you a few seconds to answer me. That's right, it's Monday. And that means that yesterday was Sunday, today is Monday, and tomorrow will be Tuesday. Now, our next task is to have a think about what the weather is like today. I'd like you to go to the window, have a look outside and see what type of weather you have in Ballyshannon this morning. Now, I live a little bit further away. It's very cold here and it's cloudy. Have a little look. See if it's cloudy in the sky. Is there any sun peeping through? What do we call that? That's right, partly sunny. Is there rain? Is there wind? You decide. Later on, you'll see an activity on your app and you'll be able to fill in the day of the week and what the weather is like. Now, I'm going to introduce you to our letter for the beginning of the week. And it's a new letter. Now, later on, I'll put the songs we like to sing for our letters up for you. But for now, I'd like to teach you the letter, what it looks like, and the sound it makes. We're looking at the letter G, and it makes a G sound. G, G, G. The story that goes with the letter G is that the sink in the house got blocked and the family had to call for a plumber. He's the man who fixes sinks. When he arrives, he unblocks the sink and it makes a G, G, G sound as the water goes down through the pipe of the sink. Let's try and make the sound that the water makes, the G sound. G, G, G. Now, I'd like you to look around the room you're in. Let's see if there's anything in the room that begins with G. Is there glass? Is there a glass on the table? Or is anybody wearing some glasses? Do you have a gate at your house? Are there grapes in the fruit bowl? Is there a goat in your garden? Or maybe a gorilla? Have a little look around and see if you can find anything that begins with the G sound. Now, let's look at the shape of the letter G. You start at the top, you run your finger round, back up to the top, round, and it curls underneath. Now, I'll be showing you tomorrow how to write that. We won't write it today because we're just looking at the sound today. In your app, you'll find our wonderful song and our jolly phonics song, and I'd like you to take a look at those and sing along with them. After that, I have a little bit of a writing exercise for you, and it's to practice holding your pencil again. Now, I just want to get mine here. I think it's beside me. It is. So, remember to put your thumb and your finger either side of the pencil and let it rest on your hand like so when you are writing. And the activity I'd like you to do is in your Wordwise books. Now this should be in your box, your purple Wordwise book. If you take that out and you turn to this page, it's page 18. Now, on it, you are asked to draw a ring around the odd one out. Well, what does that mean, a ring? That's right, a circle. You need to look at the line or the group of things and figure out which one isn't the same. If it's not the same, then it's the odd one out. And you put a circle around it. You look at each group of things separately, put a ring around the odd one out, and if you could take a picture of that and upload it onto Seesaw, then I can take a look at it. So that's the first writing activity I'd like you to do in this book. And the second one is on the next page. And again, it's to practice holding your pencil and controlling your pencil. And what you have to do on this page is bring the raindrops to the umbrellas. So you have to follow the dotted lines from the top down to the umbrellas. Not from the umbrellas up to the top, from the top. The rain comes from the clouds, so it comes from the top down to the umbrellas. And then you can colour them in nicely. And if you take a picture of that and upload it for me, that would be great too. Well done, everybody. I'll see you in the next lesson.